Jordy's on his way to his first drift event.
Second.
Oh, second?
Second.
I never knew you drove.
Yeah, I drove one event like 2-3 years ago.
Okay, it doesn't count though. Jordy's first drift event with Kai. So, fun fact, I've actually never been here before. I don't know if Jordy has.
Yeah, like 3 years ago, apparently they repaved. Also 3 years ago, it was the first time I ever tried to drive anything, and I had no clue what I was doing. I still don't.
We just got here. We're gonna see what's up and show you the vibes. We got our bands. I'm excited for you.
Yeah, I'm excited to try and actually drive it. Hopefully my power steering doesn't explode, because it feels like
I just want to give an honorable mention to the one who got me these microphones.
Hello.
I'm excited for today. Are you?
Yes, I'm excited. Excited for seat time for the boys. It smells pretty.
Ooh, it does. It's time. We're in line. Windows are down. Jordy's ready to go. Excited?
super,
I keep asking if you're excited.
super nervous. Actually, I'm not that
I
nervous.
just wonder how you're feeling.
I'm good.
Look,
I'm just glad that I made it here. Regardless if I get to drive, I don't care. I got here. I can still watch and have fun.
Jordy made one mistake though. He forgot our Oxydo portable air pump, which link in description is gonna be so helpful for days like today. I'm so sad we forgot it because it has a phone charger too, and my phone's dying. It's okay, it's okay. Jordy missed every gear his first time. It's okay, it happens.
The first time I've driven the car.
It's okay.
I'm not stressing. Used to have my foot to the floor. It's a little different.
Ooh, Miata.
2 of them.
I'm not waiting in this line again.
Besides missing gears and spinning out, how was it?
Oh, it's sick. Yeah, it's good. How are the temps staying? 190?
Yeah. How are you feeling?
I'm lit.
Well, you'll figure it out.
Yeah.
It's an E36. You just gotta drive like a man, you know?
Let's go. You got this! Come on, baby! That was so good!
Didn't want to start.
Yeah, we gotta figure that out. But that was so good! How do you feel about your second run?
I feel okay. I just need to not suck on the last corner. Just haven't got through a full lap. I'm also not used to not having to have my foot pinned to the floor.
Yeah, how does the new engine feel?
It feels really good.
I have high hopes for this run, so I'm going to record it as a reel for Jordy, and I'm going to insert that clip right here. Third run, how do you feel?
Better. I feel like
Getting the hang of it?
getting the hang of it, yes. I mean, there's also a lot of people, and like they kind of just send you out randomly, which I It's like being at a skate park in like jam session style, but god damn is it nerve-wracking when someone chokes up in front of you and you have to pay attention to them. One more, jump in the tandem line, and then we'll have fun with Austin. But I think Austin's car is giving him a little problems, but womp womp.
Okay, Jordy's fourth
Hey.
run.
That's pretty good. I feel a lot better now.
I'm gonna enter it right here. Well, we are not going to tandem, and we have Jordy here to tell us why.
I'm sitting in line, and my car just starts giving me the old BMW misfire. The old while I'm sitting there, and then my car turned off.
He definitely needs an O2.
Many hours later.
You guys CPR? You guys Trixie Tang, Timmy Turner, you're right. Tell me I'm pretty!
Yeah.
Hiya, Trixie.
Yeah.
Dave's not here.